Rishi, and in this video tutorial I'm going to teach you how to use PicsArt for your editing purposes to edit your pictures or videos maybe. But basically I'm going to teach you how to edit your pictures using PicsArt. So without a further ado, let's dive into the video because PicsArt has a variety of features and options to be really experimental and creative with your pictures. So let's get right into the video. Alright, so for editing the pictures, I'm gonna use my phone and I'm gonna edit my picture in my phone, and the screen of my phone will be visible to you on the video screen so that you can see what I am doing here. Now, as you open PicsArt, you'll see a screen like this, something like this. It's the home page of PicsArt. So I'm going to click this little plus button at the bottom. So I'm going to click here, and then it opens up into asking us to choose a picture. So I'm going to click all pictures, and then I will pick up some random picture. Say suppose this one. I don't know. For some reason I end up choosing two pictures always. So anyway, now this picture is what we're going to edit on my phone. So the first option that we see here is gold. Now this is for somebody who wants to unlock more features on PicsArt, so you can purchase the unlock features on PicsArt. The next one is tools. So let me open this and show you. So the first one is crop, basic crop that we can do. The second one is pre-crop, and then you can do shape crop as well, and then you can use dispersion. Recently, this dispersion tool has made a lot of hype and people use it very often if you have seen on Instagram. The next tool is clone. By using clone, now this is something a little bit technical, so I'm going to do it and show it to you how it works. Now I am going to actually pick this side, and now that I've chosen this spot, my cursor has hopped onto the brush tool. So as I brush anything on my picture, what it's going to do is the spot that I choose before, it will literally replicate that spot onto wherever I brush now with the brush tool. So this is the purpose of this tool. Now moving on to the next tool, here is the remove tool. Now this one comes into the gold category. So if you want to unlock, you can purchase the gold features. Now the next one is stretch. You can use this tool to stretch your picture, or actually distort your picture into whatever shape or variations you want in the picture. So the next one is motion. Now using this tool, you can actually give motion to any element or any subject in your picture which is actually looking still in the picture, but you can give a little bit motion and make your picture more creative with that. The next one is selection. Selection is something very basic. You can use the selection tool to actually select any element or again any subject in your picture. So in the selection tool, there are multiple shapes like rectangle, oval, brush, freestyle tool as well, so that you can actually select your object very precisely and you can play around the object that you have selected. Next one is curves. Now again, with curves you can play along with the colors of your picture, like a particular color, you can choose the color and play around its mid-tones and higher tones and all of that. Next one is adjustments. So adjustments are basically used to change the brightness, contrast, clarity, like here there is saturation, hue, highlights, shadows and temperature. So all of these adjustments can be done under here. The next one is enhance. This one gives a little bit vibrance to your picture and helps you to actually improve the enhancement of your picture. And next we have tilt shift. Tilt shift works to blur your picture in a particular portion. So like we have this rectangular, you can select the blur lines. They can be made into linear or radial, so you can actually twist these lines and play with the size of these lines, and then select actually which portion you want to be blurred. Next one is perspective. Now suppose while taking your picture, your cameraman has actually tilted your phone a little bit like this unknowingly, and they have clicked your picture. So while clicking the picture, there might be sometimes a little bit of mistake while clicking the picture. Like your cameraman might have tilted the phone a little bit here or there, and your picture now looks a little bit tilted towards left or right or whatever. So here that can be adjusted as well. So you just have to go under perspective section, and you can actually rotate or actually change the perspective of your picture. Next one is resize. Of course, you can now here change the size of your picture, like width and height can be changed, and you can resize your picture. So then the last one under the tools section is flip or rotate. This is very basic and all of the editing apps has it. Like you can flip your picture horizontally, vertically, or rotate your picture according to wherever, anti-clockwise, clockwise, whatever. And yeah, that was pretty much. And next, under the effect section, you have a multiple variety of effects, trust me. And if you buy the gold filters, you have tons of filters, trust me. There are paper filters, color filters, canvas filters, sketch filters, pop art filters, a lot of them. You can really play along. You can really play with your picture in this section. Next one is beautify. Now here you can set your picture on auto beautify by the first one. Then there are multiple tools to play around your face, or actually beautify your subject, your face. So you can smoothen your picture here, and then you can face fix your picture, and then you can fix your blemishes even under the blemish fix section. And then you can change your skin tone, hair color, details, eye color, teeth whitening, and a lot of these. Also, it provides red eye at the end, so you can try it out definitely. And then you have stickers. Now, stickers on PicsArt are really trending right now, and there are tons of stickers on PicsArt which can actually make your picture very creative. You can play along with it. Now you can cut out some section of your picture with the cut out tool, and then you can add text. Under the text section, you can add a photo. You can fit your picture if your picture doesn't fit into a particular size frame. So you can fit your picture in this section. And then you have brushes that can be used to brush your picture with some of the effects in a particular section. So next is border. You can add borders, of course. You can even change the thickness of your borders. You can play around with it. And then you have masks. Under the mask section, you have different types of masks, like if you want a dusty effect in your picture, or you want some shadowy effect. Next thing, you can draw on your picture. You can literally use some pencil or colors and draw on your picture, whatever you want to. And then there is lens flare, which a lot of us are aware of what lens flare is. So you can do that here. And then you can shape mask your picture, and there are some cool frames to try out. And lastly, there is a call out section. So if you want to add some text, or you want to add some dialogue, you can actually give that dialogue effect with the call out tool. And yeah, that's pretty much it. At the top of the screen, you will see the undo button, redo button, and then you can save your picture, download your picture, and go ahead and upload your picture as well. So this was all about what PicsArt has to offer right now. If you like this video, do like, share, and subscribe our channel, and press on that bell icon to get notified every time we put up a new video. And we will see you soon again in a next video. Until then, bye bye, take care, bye.